The Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. Error appears when the store's shipping settings do not support your delivery address. Here's how to fix it. For customers, check your address, double-check spelling, zip or postal code, city, and country. Even small mistakes can trigger the error. Try a different address. Use an alternative delivery address, friend's house, workplace, or pickup point, within a supported region. Contact the store. Use the store's chat or contact form and ask them to add your location or offer alternative shipping. Use a package forwarding services like Shipito, MyUS, or Stackry can receive the package in a supported country and forward it to you. For store owners, Shopify admin. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Check or create shipping zones for the customer's country or region. Add appropriate shipping rates for that zone. Ensure the zone is active and has no restrictions.